Today we will learn how to use camera rotation effect in Adobe Premiere Pro to make your video or picture more engaging. So let's jump into the timeline. This is a simple picture. I'll select the picture and go to the effect control. There you will see the rotation option. I'll turn on the rotation keyframe, set it to -10 and move the keyframe to the left side. In the same way, I'll create another keyframe, set it to 10 and drag it to right side, which will last until the end of the video. Now if I play it, you will see the rotation effect applied. Next, I'll add an overlay video footage on top of the picture to make it look even more interesting. I'll drag the overlay footage above the picture and trim it to match the start and end of the video. After selecting the overlay video footage, I'll go back to effect control and choose a blending mode. I'll set the blending mode to color dots. You can also try the different blending modes to see which one looks best with your footage. Apply the mode. Finally, we will lower the opacity value so that the overlay video footage blends smoothly with the picture. To learn more exciting video editing tips and tricks like this, click out our previous video. Thanks for staying with us.